It's kind of a gloomy day out there.
Yes, yeah, and like it wouldn't stand out, but our summer's been so nice.
Yeah.
I was saying to Dana, like, it's only late July and it feels later than that, and that's a sign of a good summer.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Right? It feels like we've just been like crushing summer for a while, and we've still got a while to go, which I'm here for.
I like the sound of that.
Yeah, makeup summer. That's what we're calling it, right?
Yep.
We got a couple sprinkles out there right now. Nothing all that heavy, and that was kind of the case throughout the day today. We were overcast. We had some showers, but there wasn't really any consistent activity. We've got a couple of strong storms across upstate New York. I'm showing you these because our small-scale models have a few of them surviving as maybe a thunder shower later tonight. Otherwise, we'll be mostly cloudy with just a couple of breaks coming in here over the last hour or two. Northern Maine has actually been fairly sunny, and especially into northern Aroostook County, where temperatures have responded there into the upper 70s in Caribou. The rest of us sitting in the upper 60s right now. Portland's high, I think, is going to go down at 72. One of the few below average days, only the second below average day that I saw in days at least in the 70s here through the entire month. So it's been very unusually warm, and we took a step back over the last 2 days. Hour by hour forecast shows you that line trying to come in here tonight. This is at midnight right here, so it'd be 1, 2 in the morning with a quick rumble of thunder potentially over southern Maine. Otherwise, you wake up to mostly cloudy conditions tomorrow. We're going to drag a front through. That front is a little bit faster than it looked earlier in the week, and so that gives us a chance for a thunderstorm in the middle of the day into the afternoon. Some of them could get a little feisty in the Bangor area, potentially into down East Maine by tomorrow evening, and then we clear that front offshore, and we've got drier air coming in time for Friday. And Friday, 2 Fridays in a row, maybe 3, are really nice. I mean, it's going to be upper 70s, right around 80 degrees. Dew points will be down, and there'll be a good deal of sunshine too. And we carry that vibe into the weekend too, which I really like. So here's that front, Thursday afternoon. Dew points this side 60s, this side 50s. Then watch that front. You can kind of tell where it is. Right there along the coastline, and by Friday morning we're back down into the 50s for dew points, which is comfortable, if not into that refreshing zone, at least according to our scale here. High pressure right over our heads Saturday and Sunday, which means both days look good to me. Slight preference along the coastline for me for Saturday, because we could start with a little fog on Sunday morning, but we're being nitpicky here. It looks really nice through the weekend. Temperatures in the mid 80s, maybe some upper 80s by the time we get into Monday and Tuesday. Humidity comes back during that time period too. You might start noticing it on Sunday afternoon, and then we'll see how midweek plays out. We could have some showers, an actual day of rain potentially on Wednesday, but we continue that trend of 5, sometimes 6 nice days to 1 rainy day. And the good thing about it is our last rain event in a lot of spots did give us like 2 inches of rain.
Yes.
There were spots that didn't see as much, but those that did got some of that in the bag, and so we don't have a problem with that, at least at this time going forward.
That's perfect. Thanks, Keith.